Hey there. So today we took Star out for the third time ever. He was really brave. He was really brave. He tried climbing a tree. While we were outside, I picked up some of these. So I decided to make another toy because, yeah. So welcome to Indestructible Toy Part 2. For this one, I'm going to use pine cones. Pine cone. I realize how long it would take, but ribbon and what else? Maybe pipe cleaners to stick them together. Pipe cleaners. So now that I have the materials, let's get constructing. And I actually have an app that speeds stuff up and slows stuff down. So I could actually do a time lapse this time. Let's go. I'm only gonna make one because it's, I don't know, I just feel like it, so yeah. So here's the one. Timer like last time. I'm gonna start it. Start. Oh, and he's grooming. Start. What's up? Okay. Let's see, does he like it? Does he like it? Okay. And he doesn't like it. I'm gonna try putting it on the wand. He likes anything dangling, so I'm gonna restart the timer. Let's see. Does he enjoy this? He does. It's not his favorite, really. He usually likes exploring a toy first, and then he starts going crazy over it. So I think he's just figuring out what it is. Maybe he'll pounce on it. Yep, there he goes. He overall doesn't seem that interested in it. But at least I got some playing footage. It's still not destroyed. So I guess, does this count as a part? Or actually, should this be a new series called Nature Builds, where I use the nature to build toys? That sounds like fun. So yeah, that was the first ever nature build. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Subscribe or Star will eat your toes.